Back to the channel, glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about 5 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand, and quite impressive results as well. They're also low content, so the work is going to be quite less as well. I know that in the recent videos, I did talk about a lot of medium to high content books and keywords and niches that are profitable, so I broke it down for you. Let me know if you enjoy videos talking about high to medium content or medium to high content, or do you enjoy just videos about low content books? So then I can make sure that I do more of these. Now, before we get started, subscribe to the channel in order to view our daily videos. We do new videos every single day at 5 p.m. Finnish time. Apart from that, let's head over to the first keyword for today's video. And the first keyword for today's video is first time Father's Day journal. And it has a keyword niche score of 50 and total results are 3,741. And I can hear you saying, yes, it is quite high, a little bit high. Now, when it comes to keywords such as these that are profitable, I tend to go for any total results that are preferably 4,000 or less. Of course, the less, the better. And the more the bestseller rank is higher, I usually go for keywords that are about total results of 1,000 or less. So I did talk about my strategy and the variables and the rules that I go by when determining profitable keywords for Amazon KDP, and you can find a link to that video in the description box below. You will also find a link to a video talking about all 4 free Chrome extensions that I am using to analyze the profitable keywords and how you can do the same and how to use them correctly as well. So Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension has given us a keyword niche score of 50. It is quite high, and this keyword niche score has also been confirmed and emphasized as well by another Chrome extension which I am using at the moment, and it is Amazon Scout Pro free Chrome extension. Now, both Chrome extensions are available on the Chrome website. Both are free as well. And we have a clarification of number 9 categorizing this as a great niche. So number 9 is the highest that you can go when it comes to the keyword strength, and given by Amazon Scout Pro. Total results 3,741, and the average bestseller rank is 205,382. And preferably, I would aim for between 300,000 to 400,000. The less, the better when it comes to the bestseller rank. Also, the reviews are 2,120 average, and also the average price is $10.32. This is a great journal niche where you would be able to do a journal for first time Father's Day, first time fathers, and it can be given as a Father's Day gift as well. But I wouldn't really make it just for Father's Day. I would make it more example of a first time father's journal. That can be a daily journal, it can be a planner, it can be a prompt journal, a guided journal, for example. You can create like a 365 or a 90-day journal or a 52-week journal where it would be guided prompts, guided questions to help fathers transition through their journey as fathers. And especially if they are first time fathers, they are going through their own struggles as well. And I know we mothers, we tend to kind of struggle a lot with our first child and learning everything new, but it is also tough for the fathers out there that, you know, they do go through a lot in terms of learning everything new, transitioning through their new lifestyle as well with their first child. So it is an exciting and wonderful journey, and it's really important to express that in the book itself, in the journal that you create as well. The more benefit and the more value that you provide for your in your journal, the better selling it would be as well. So I would go through this in different ways. For example, I'd create a daily journal for fathers to kind of write down their thoughts. It would be like a free writing without any guided prompts. Or my favorite way and my best selling way that I found to work great and amazing for me as well as many other Amazon KDP publishers is through creating a guided journal. Each page has a prompt, whether that is a question, whether that is a sentence to be completed and thought about in terms of a reflective journal, for fathers that are first-time fathers to help them reflect on their journey as well. So one thing that works well is you could have a 365-day journal, but that is quite a lot of work when it comes to coming up with prompts, and you can use ChatGPT for that prompts as well. Just make sure to run the ChatGPT prompts that you get through the for example, a Quillbot. Quillbot.com is a great resource that allows you to rephrase, and you are able to do that for free because each prompt is going to be less than 200 words if that's the way that you want to go through. Or you can even also check through Grammarly.com also, because the prompts and the spelling errors and grammatical errors that ChatGPT gives you are quite relevant. So you do need to have to run through Grammarly.com or any other proofreading software that you rely on to avoid proofreading and grammatical errors as well. So first time Father's Day journal, amazing niche, amazing keywords, niche score of 50 and keyword niche score of number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro. Let's head over to the second keyword in today's video. Second keyword is cursing animal coloring book for adults, and it is quite the opposite of what we were talking about in the first keyword, but it is quite a profitable keyword if you are ready to embark on this. So it's basically a coloring book for adults that has some sort of form of cursing or satire as well, and it has a keyword niche score of 43. Total results are 760. The bestseller rank, although it is high, yet there is potential under this niche, and there is also a potential to niche down as well, which I'm going to talk about soon. Bestseller rank is 605,389, and we've got the average reviews of 2,300, the average price of $14.72. Also, we do have a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro that confirms the keyword strength given by self-publishing titans. We have a number 9, and this is the highest you can get when it comes to the keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro. Also, you could also niche down based on different types of adults, based on career as well, based on gender, female, male, nurses, teachers, doctors and so forth, students, accountants as well. You could niche down that way as well, or you could niche down even make it like for adults and seniors as well. It is a really good keyword that has a couple of books also that are ranking quite well, and the cover does play a big role in the whether the book does sell or not. The cover really needs to be well thought out. It needs to be kind of that coloring book themed as well. As you can see, half colored in, half not, so you do need to be creative. I know a couple of sellers out there that are using Midjourney to create amazing graphics for their covers, and shout out to them. That would be an amazing strategy. I have not yet dived into this strategy yet, but that would be great. I know this looks like it's being made by Midjourney as well, and if you do want to use Midjourney to create book covers, highly recommend you do. It's an amazing resource, but please make sure to add your own twist and add your own unique elements as well. To make it unique, it would be like a copy paste thing straight away from Midjourney. So you do want to bear in mind to select the right categories, and you use some sort of keywords. Some smart keywords as well, for example, creativity, relaxation, stress relief, as you can see right here, and it needs to be an animal themed. Would you like to specialize in a certain animal? Would you like to focus on only mammals, focus on only for example, couple animals? There's so much ways you can handle this keyword, cursing animal coloring book for adults, keyword niche score of 43. Let's head over to our third keyword for the day. The third keyword is anxiety relief word search. So we have a keyword niche score of 42. And all the results are great, apart from the slightly high bestseller rank of 800,871, which indicates that not much books are selling under this, but it is really low competition when it comes to the total results of 395. So what does this indicate? It indicates that if you want to create an anxiety relief word search, that don't create a book or two under this keyword in order to diversify your Amazon KDP portfolio, but do not invest too much time, too much energy on creating a bunch of books for this keyword and expect consistent dozens of sales coming in through. So diversify, use this, create one or two good quality books, and then move on to other more profitable keywords that we always discuss here on the channel every single day. We have a video coming up at 5 p.m. so make sure you stay subscribed and make sure to click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. So it has a keyword niche score of 42. Total results are under 1,000, sitting at 395. Also, we have the average reviews of 134, the average price of $8.38, and we also have many books that are selling quite well under this niche as well. For example, this one, anxiety relief word search for adults, and they have added the keyword for adults in there, and this is an actual keyword that you are able to look into, so we can go ahead and copy that. Now, if you have all 4 Chrome extensions installed, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now and save yourself the time. So if you want to know more, go check out the video afterwards about the 4 free Chrome extensions and how to use them. So now we have a Chrome extension right here that shows us all the results that you need to see. So we can go ahead and search for anxiety relief word search puzzle book for adults, for example. As we are waiting for the analytics results to open, we are going to head over to our 4th keyword for the day, and the 4th keyword is anxiety relief word search for kids. Anxiety relief word search for kids is not a quite strong keyword when it comes to the niche score, unfortunately, but it is low competition in terms of the total results are under 415. The bestseller rank is 705,880, which means there are books selling under this niche. Not a lot, but then again, the same advice for the previous niche do apply when it comes to not investing too much time and energy into this keyword, but yet creating a book or two and then moving on to other niches that are more profitable as well. And you never know when it will sell. Really important to diversify. I've got books that I've created 2-3 years ago when I first started on KDP that have not sold for the first year and a half, and now they are catching up and they are bringing in daily sales, and I'm not really sure as to the source of the customers coming in. So it might have had a push from Amazon. It might basically was a trending keyword or a trending topic in 2023, and this has caused the burst in the sales. So you just never know. Always diversify. But when you come up to a keyword that has a really high bestseller rank, such as the previous one and this one, for example, what do you do when the bestseller rank is over 300, 400,000? What do you do in this case? Do you just move on to the next? No, highly recommended. If you do have the total results under 1,000, you do have all the other supporting elements that indicate profitability, then do create a book or two, make it high quality, and then move on to the next. You never know when it will sell, and you will also learn as you go through the journey as well. So anxiety relief word search for kids, the results are 415. Let's move on to the 5th keyword for today's video. Very promising results. Biblical journal for Father's Day, and we have a keyword niche score of 57 given by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension, as well as number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro, and it is categorizing this niche as a nice niche. Now, total results under 1,000, sitting at 562. Bestseller rank average is under 300,000, which is amazing. Super low, 33,108. We've got the average reviews of 2,458, the average price of $7.18. And this is basically creating a biblical journal for Father's Day. So it could be a guided journal that contains some quotes or maybe some verses from the Bible on each sheet. It could be for 52 weeks. It could be a weekly journal. It could be a daily journal as well. It could be a journal that just contains aligned sheets inside, and then a prompt question or reflective prompt or reflective verse or scripture that allows fathers, dads, men to really reflect on the verse or the scripture, or reflect on, you know, their lessons for the week, for example. So much ways you can go through this. You could also niche down, of course, to first-time fathers, to senior fathers. You could also niche down based on the career, based on the age, whether they are you know, in their young father stage, or whether they are seniors, whether they are so much more potential in this nation I'd really like to share with you, because of the profitability as well. Now, if you are not familiar with the biblical verses and biblical lessons as well, you don't need to do this niche. Just move on to another niche that you feel comfortable in doing. And please, as always, respect the culture and the religion and the lessons as well. So handle with respect. Make sure that you are well informed, and if you feel that you are not equipped knowledge-wise to handle creating a biblical journal for Father's Day, then move on to the next. We've got a couple of really amazing, super profitable niches and keywords that we discuss on a daily basis here on the channel. So there's nothing wrong with moving away from a niche that you are not equipped at creating for, or you don't feel comfortable creating for. So let's head over to the keyword that I just searched just before to see the profitability. So this one is, I'm just going to go over to see if I am able to find the keyword, which was anxiety relief word search puzzle for adults, and it gave us, and this was the keyword that I looked at. Yes, this was the keyword that I looked at, and I was waiting for the results to open as we discussed for the keyword. So anxiety relief word search puzzle for adults is the 6th bonus final keyword for today's video. It has a keyword niche score of 40. Total results are under 1,304 are the total results, and the average bestseller rank is quite similar to the anxiety relief word search keyword, which is 729,293. Average price is $9.22, and the exact same advice applies for this keyword. What I like about this keyword, it is long tail. I will also be creating a large print, so it's an 8.5 times 11, and also the quantity does play a role. For example, offering 50 versus offering 150 word search activities really does make a difference in the sales. The more you offer in terms of the quantity, the better it is as well. But remember, because of the high bestseller rank, I wouldn't be diving too deep, investing too much time and energy. I'll just be creating 1 or 2 books, and then I'd be advertising using Pinterest free pins, as well as an Instagram branded page, all free advertising methods to promote such books. So thank you so much for coming to the video, and we have talked about the 6 profitable keywords in today's video. If you enjoyed the contents, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.